Yes, yes, as you can see, there's this beautiful fabric next to us, and our guest today is quite special because she's one of the people or in the fashion industry who are pushing sustainable fashion. So yes, if you're looking how innovation and social impact can go hand in hand, look no further, as our guest today is someone who's been transforming the fashion industry with her Kain movement. She also redefines how we think about sustainability and technology using Eri silk and benefiting the farmers as well.
Yes, so her current collection, Kembali ke Akar, is inspired by Indonesia's diverse natural and cultural heritage. And the collection is designed to positively impact the environment and society while also offering timeless and relevant styles. So let's dive deeper into Kain with its founder, Melly Indarto. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning, Melly.
Thank you for having me here.
Thank you for coming.
Amazing.
All right. Now, we want to know about this fabric. Maybe you can explain more to us. Why is it so special?
Okay, so this fabric coming from Pasuruan, East Java.
Yeah.
We do the hand weaving by ourselves. We do the batik process by ourselves and the natural dyes also.
Yes.
So if I can tell more about the history of this brand,
Yes.
back in 2015, in my hometown, Pasuruan, East Java, I kind of find the unexplored potential of local wisdom in there.
What's
So,
the local wisdom?
when I met the seniors of hand weavers, the seniors on batik artisans, they find difficulties to compete with the fast fashion, with the fashion industry, the mainstream one. And they also cannot find the young generation who willing to learn the technique. So there is no regeneration. With that issue, I try to set up small communities, contain the seniors who willing to share their knowledge, and also the young generation who willing to learn the technique from zero. So they were from the many various background, truck drivers, unemployed one. So they really learn to do the hand weave from the very beginning.
Yes.
And then with around 1 or 2 years, we do the several trial and errors to create how hand-woven fabric can be more wearable for daily wear.
Absolutely.
That is not heavy, not itchy, that is not too, it is more proper and more suitable for this climate in Jakarta, especially in Bali.
Yeah.
So yeah, we aim that target market in that big cities.
Yeah. When you say sustainable, how sustainable is this?
Okay.
Yeah.
We do sustainable practices from the very beginning until the end.
Yes. How?
If we talk about sustainable fashion, it's A to Z, right? If it's from A, then we must think the raw material.
Yes.
We cannot use the polyester, we cannot use the plastic-based material. We must use the natural ones. And if we talk about natural fibers, luckily we live in Indonesia who have rich natural resources.
Yes.
That is contain like cotton or like rami. It's kind of like linen, and also silk and pineapple. If you make now, banana leaves also can be a fibers that is suitable for clothing. Yeah, yeah.
Banana leaves?
Yeah, but sadly the fact that currently Indonesia is not self-sufficient yet to provide the fibers for fashion industry. It is around 99.9% we still import all these fibers, the cotton, the rami, silk especially. So with this issue, I'm really concerned to when will we more independent to provide our own fibers, right?
Yes.
So,
and the fiber that you're using
yes,
is
it's Eri silk.
Eri silk. What is Eri silk? There's also there. I'm just going to grab this.
Yeah, that's the fiber.
Okay, this is
It comes from this silk cocoon.
Silk cocoon?
It's a silk cocoon.
So this is the result.
Can I?
Yes.
First thing is
It's
silk
a silk
cocoon.
cocoon.
And then?
What difference this Eri silk from the the one that we know, maybe mulberry silk, the one that eat the murbe leaves, right?
Yes, yes.
Because this Eri silk, we can do more ethical practices. We can cut the cocoon one by one, like this. You can see it's already open, right?
Yes,
It's because we cut it very carefully while we wait the pupa already mature, so that they still can out as a being alive.
Yes.
And then they still can evolve as a silk moth around a week later.
Yes.
And we use this empty cocoon, we boil this to become this stable fiber, and then we transform it into fabricated yarn over there.
Yes.
And then after it become a yarn, then we can make the hand woven fabric.
Nice.
So what was
That's
the
the process.
usual practice of the other kinds of silk? Because you mentioned earlier that we actually, we still have them living. They're not sort of like killed or destroyed,
it's
right?
we used to call it a piece silk. Eri silk is a piece silk, like piece.
Oh, it's a piece silk.
Yeah, it's a cruelty-free eri silk farming or eri silk
Right.
cultivation. And what differs also from the traditional ones is because we don't need a high maintenance or high technology to do the ethical silk farming. So the farmers can start their own cultivation in their own houses. We don't need a big factory, we don't need a sterile chamber, we don't need the industrial approach. They can do the eri silk farming in their own houses. They just need to find a corner that is safe from the direct sunlight, that is safe from the wind.
Yes.
Then they can start to make the very humble bamboo rack. And then they already can start the cultivation once they already have the food, which is the food, not mulberry leaves. The food is very common in Indonesia, which is cassava leaves.
Oh,
Amazing. Cassava and castor that is very easily grown in Indonesia. So I think this is the answer. Like we already have the answer to reduce the imported fibers.
Yes.
To start our own independence in fashion.
In clothing and slow fashion as well. Well, this is because at the moment, our President Prabowo Subianto is trying to create Indonesia that is more independent when it comes to food. But why not also fashion, right? Pak Prabowo, look at this. Eri silk.
lovely.
We don't have to import fabrics anymore.
Yeah, well, we know fashion industry is bleeding, right?
Yes.
For the past, with the illegal import and everything, we already know government tried to tackle this.
Yes.
And so that's why we now currently working with some ministries to provide the official uniform with these natural fibers.
Yeah,
Now,
and maybe training too.
Yeah, I want to know about that. You started in 2017, you said, right? So how has it developed until today in 2024?
I think, yes, we still faces many challenges, especially to create the awareness, to promote this. We have local silk. We have local fibers. That is already can be up to artisanal level, up to fashion level, not only as a raw material. We do need a lot of publication and to boost the awareness.
So how many workers are there now?
We start with only 5. Now we work with more than 50 artisans, hand weavers, batik artisans, and also we work with more than 1,000 of farmers. Because we are now, starting from this year, we are not only producing the eri silk fibers, but we are also helping other farmers, like the pineapple farmers. Rami, if you may know, Rami is kind of like linen. So
is it softer or is it?
They have a strong fibers. The characteristic is strong and lang, and so we collaborate, working hand in hand with the local farmers in Prabu Muli, South Sumatra. That's where we collect the pineapple leaves to become the pineapple fibers. And then we also working with the Rami farmers at Wonosobo, Central Java, to provide the linen look, the local one. And for the eri silk, we are not just working hand in hand with our local farmers in Pasuruan, East Java, but also in Bali and also in Kupang. They have a lot of farmers there.
Wow. I mean, we're also very interested in your personal story, right? Because you come from a family that has nothing to do with fashion. I mean, it's actually a construction business family. I mean, how did you decide to actually, Mom and Dad, maybe this is not my thing. Maybe my thing is creating sustainable fashion. Tell us.
Basically, it comes from my passion, since junior high school, I like to draw, I like to sketch, and then and then my mom really pushed me forward. You go to fashion school, and then after that, you try to find work in Jakarta. So they just willingly to say bye-bye to me,
Yeah.
to let me go to Jakarta, pursue my passion in fashion.
Yeah.
And in Jakarta, I really understand the fashion industry from middle to top level.
Yeah.
I know all the designers, all the top brand labels.
Yeah.
From local, also from international.
Yeah.
And after several years, maybe 5 years in Jakarta,
Yeah.
my mom asked me to go back to Pasuruan. Okay, enough. Time to go back and try to find your own calling. Try to pursue your own work, your own career. And that's where I found, in my hometown, there were a huge gap between fashion industry in Jakarta and all the very talented, young, respectful people. Yeah, huge gap. They cannot. There is a missing link.
They cannot penetrate the industry.
Yeah.
So why not create our own industry, right?
Try to connecting the dots.
Yes.
I'm so lucky because all the dots is already in Pasuruan. I just need to meet them one by one, brainstorm, try to solve each problem in each division.
Yes.
And then voila, already become wearable items, wearable art.
And I love the fabric.
Yeah.
I touched the fabric because, as you said, Meli, it's wearable.
Yeah.
Very
It's
wearable.
nice, it's wearable, it's light, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
How about the durability?
It's easy to maintain. I already wear this since like 3 years ago.
Nice.
Was wear everywhere. Yeah, it's durable. It's durable.
Okay, so tell us about the design.
Yeah.
This is our latest collection. In the collaboration with Aninda Loka, we create a special collection called Kembali ke Akar.
Kembali back to the roots.
Yes.
Why kembali ke akar? Why going back to the roots?
Because if we talk about sustainable fashion, we must really think about the very beginning, the farmers.
Yes.
The farmers that grow the plant. We need the roots. Yeah, so all the collection is also have a roots embellishment, like the roots accent like this. It's all hand stitched.
Yes.
Hand stitched, and yeah, the colors also represent subtle colors that represent the earth, the water.
Yeah.
And so
Very
on.
earthy tones.
This is a scarf, right?
It's a scarf. Well, can I style you?
Yeah, sure. Because I was gonna ask actually, maybe because I have scarves at home, but I never know how to put it nicely.
But I know you wear scarves all the time, right?
I even
you're
wore
a
scarves
scarf
this morning. I
person.
am. So could you please
Okay.
teach us how to get creative with scarves?
Since you are wearing green, I'm trying to find
lovely.
more agates.
That's beautiful.
It's batik, hand-drawn batik with the iconic flowers from Pasuruan, which is Sedap Malam.
Sedap Malam is from Pasuruan.
Yeah.
Learning something new every day.
Excuse me.
So this is how we do it. Okay. If you have a long scarf, this is the way you do it. So it's very simple. Oh,
It's the
very
small
pretty.
scarf. It's a small scarf. That is more wearable for daily wear, like the one that I'm wearing.
Yes.
Do you want me
Yes,
to?
What about
Please
the
do me.
I'm trying
slightly
to
bigger one?
slightly the bigger one.
Yes.
Since
Okay.
you are wearing
Yes.
some kind of like yellow turmeric colors, I'm trying to mix you.
And this is
With
colored
this
with
scarf.
turmeric, of course.
Yeah.
Because it's
Turmeric.
natural color.
Yeah, it's orchid flowers. It's also
Wow.
batik tulis. That is
Yeah.
also iconic flowers in Pasuruan.
Wow, and it has a tinge of purple.
Well, this is also
Yeah.
perfect for Singapore because there are orchids everywhere in Singapore.
You can wear this during your year-end holiday,
And now I'm too comfy. I don't want to take this off.
right?
We're too cozy for Christmas.
It's not itchy, right?
No, it's not itchy
heavy.
at all.
It's
It's
my
lovely.
style.
And there's also other collection that you do here, right?
Yeah, it's
So what
ready
is
to
this?
wear.
This is ready to wear. And
Yeah.
by the way, I know someone who's wearing ready to wear Tommy.
Oh,
That's so beautiful.
Where's the walking music here?
Do it with style. Nice.
like a fashion show.
That's beautiful.
Awesome,
so,
huh?
so this is an outer
Amazing.
for guys, right?
Yeah. It's all hand woven. The outer and the scarf. It's batik, also hand drawn batik, picturing coffee because Pasuruan also have a very best coffee, local coffee.
It's very soft.
Yeah, very
Oh my
soft.
gosh.
Indeed.
This is airy silk, right? It's sustainable. It doesn't hurt the animals or the worms itself, and it takes care of the farmers. This is really nice,
I
Tom.
like it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You look good.
Wow.
Yeah, awesome.
Let's go to the mall after this.
Nice one, Melly. I love
Thank you
this.
so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah.
Okay. We want to know know about the feedbacks from everyone.
Yes.
that's seen
Oh,
this.
they love it. I've got a lot of orders from our official website, www.kain.id.
Yeah.
We got order from Hawaii, from Singapore, from Japan, from US. Since our business model is very inclusive, we are not only targeting the B2C, but we also do the B2B market. We got a lot of orders, bulk orders from Japan, Singapore,
Yeah.
Hawaii,
Yeah.
to make their own clothing line, like white label ones.
Oh,
We
so
do
when
the
you
custom.
say bulk, it's actually the fabric itself.
Yeah, the
So
fabric.
you send the fabric out there, and then they can use the fabric with their own design, using their own design.
Yes, they can customize. Like, let's say they want this design, but they want it in a pink color. Okay, we can
Right.
try to make it. Or
Yeah.
they want to transform this scarf into a wall hanging tapestry
yeah.
for their hotel, maybe
Yeah.
for their resort.
say,
Yeah, we can do that.
That's
Right,
awesome.
it's
Like
personalized,
tableware
huh?
also.
It is
Yeah.
personalized, and the colors. Like for example, here you said that you use turmeric to
Turmeric.
create
Yeah.
the yellow, right? How? What are other ingredients that you use to create? these
Sapanwood for pink color, like, I'm sorry, let me
Yes.
check.
Like that
That
one
one
there.
is so
Yeah, it's
Aw, the
sapanwood.
pink is
Yeah.
nice.
Sapanwood.
It's for winter,
That one
like-
is for winter.
Oh, that's
like
nice.
thicker
Yeah,
for
it's
winter.
very thick. Oh, this is for me. To keep me
For
warm.
winter.
And what
the,
about the
me
blue?
warm.
the blue one is from indigo.
Indigo.
Indigofera leaves.
Yes.
That's produce the blue after some fixation.
Yes, and the gray
No, I
and
just
the
wanna try.
Like how to say tunjung in
Jung. Is that a
yeah, like
plant?
the fixation, like the fixation, the minerals to fixation this.
Ah, this one is so comfortable.
She loves it.
It's like being hugged.
So if we want to be part of the kind movement, I know that it's like I don't know. Maybe the public can also help. How can the public help in a way?
Yeah, I think we can start by try to wear the fashion not just as a fashion wear, but it can be also as a statement. Like you personally support local farmers because it's directly coming from the local farmer itself. From 2017 up to now, we already purchased like more than 5,000 kilos of natural fibers from Airy silk, pineapple, rami. So they really can feel the direct impact from every purchase. And then after that, maybe if there is an entrepreneur or maybe they own their businesses in hotels or F&B, they can try to be more creative that produce using all this fabric for their own businesses.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I guess as consumers or as fashion buyers, one of the things we can do is just to be a little bit more conscious. Right?
Yeah.
I know that sometimes people say, "Oh gosh, Marissa, it's a lot of work to know like where it comes from and all that." But actually, to live more consciously is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And not only that you buy fashion wear, not only that you buy clothes, but you buy a piece of story that you can wear and you can tell people about the story.
That's
I think
true.
that's lovely.
That's true. This is great. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so
You.
much.
Thank
It's
you,
very
thank you.
warm.
You're so ready for Japan trip. after this, book a ticket
Yeah. And where can we find you?
at official website and also offline store in Sarinah, Tamrin, Jakarta.
Oh, Sarina, that's
Sarina.
great. Oh, yeah.
We also-
www.kain.id.
Yes, .id.
.id.
All right.
Okay, thank you, Melly.
Thank
This
you
is
so
great.
much.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, let's take a break. We're so cozy. Look
Yeah,
at
look,
that.
look, 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 look.
Holiday season. All right, we're gonna take a break. When we come back, we'll bring you more stories from Indonesia. Stay with us.